Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the inventory player model in Rust. So if you want to disable that little model that you get of your player when you open up the inventory, you can just go to Options and then select the User Interface section and scroll down until you find the inventory player model option. So you toggle it off to hide the inventory player model, and you toggle it on to show it again. So once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.